So, you want to become confident, right? In most of the world, they tell you it takes years of therapy, public speaking courses, and climbing mountains while screaming affirmations. What you actually end up with is broke, awkward, and still scared of small talk. Confidence isn't some rare superpower, it's a skill anyone can hack. Everyone pushes weird hacks, power poses in the mirror, cold showers, or manifesting while staring at your vision board. Spoiler, most of that just makes you look weird. Real confidence comes from doing tiny things that trick your brain into thinking you're already the main character. The main thing you need to do is start stupidly small. Say hi to the cashier. Ask a question in a meeting. Order coffee without mumbling. Each time your brain goes, "See? World didn't explode." Stack these wins like Lego. Suddenly, you're not faking it. You're just doing it. Easy, actually. Stop telling yourself, "I'm awkward." Try easy and "I'm figuring this out." Your brain believes what you repeat. Turn every small failure into a funny story instead of proof you're doomed. Reframe it like you're the humble main character in a comedy movie about becoming unstoppable. Before any situation, mentally simulate it like a video game. Imagine walking in, smiling, saying your line perfectly. Then go do the real version. It's not magic, it's giving your brain a rehearsal so it stops panicking. Practice in the mirror or with a friend first. Low stakes, high rewards. Once you read about body language, actually use it next time you're chatting. Stand tall. Make eye contact for 3 seconds. Your brain connects the dots and remembers, hey, this works. That's how confidence sticks. Not from theory, but from doing. Level up with tiny, high-stakes games. Compliment a stranger. Share an opinion without apologizing. Set a rule. No sorry for existing. Textbooks on psychology are S tier for this. Pure facts plus practice questions you can test on real life. Accidentally download a few. Confidence isn't about never feeling nervous. It's about acting anyway until nervous feels normal. Start today with one small thing. You'll look back and laugh at how easy it actually was. Drop a like if you're trying this.